Imagine holding the future of handheld cameras right in your palm. Today, we finally have the first real-life hands-on footage of the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and it looks like DJI is ready to shake the pocket camera world once again. The video came straight from an official DJI store in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, where a customer walked in with the camera, giving us a clear look at every angle. From the outside, it feels familiar, almost like the Pocket 3, but there are subtle upgrades that hint at something truly next level. One of the first things you notice is an LED flashlight on top, which seems detachable, adding a new layer of versatility for low-light shooting. But don't be fooled. This isn't just another minor update. DJI is redesigning the entire imaging pipeline with the Pocket 4 Pro. The rumors and leaks we've seen so far suggest a radical change that could redefine handheld filmmaking. With multiple tech giants now entering the compact camera space, competition is fierce. Every brand is chasing dual camera systems and AI-powered shooting. Yet DJI is not just keeping up. They are innovating on a whole new level. The most exciting leak comes from Igor Bogdanov, who shared detailed images on X showing what appears to be the internal blueprint of the Pocket 4 Pro's dual camera system. According to him, DJI is equipping the camera with two separate processors, one for each lens, which is an absolute game changer. This setup is designed to handle complex image processing without compromising the camera's compact size. It's a move that goes beyond marketing hype. This is real engineering. Let's break down what this dual system will mean for you as a user. The Pocket 4 Pro is rumored to house two cameras inside a single compact body, a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens. But this isn't just about having two lenses. The camera will intelligently switch between them based on the zoom level. Shoot. Wide, and the wide-angle lens handles everything. Zoom past a certain point and the telephoto lens takes over automatically. Say goodbye to digital zoom and blurry distant shots. Now you can capture faraway objects with the clarity and detail you expect from a high-end camera. And the processors? That's where the magic happens. The main processor, which includes the SoC and ISP, is the brain of the camera, continuously handling final recording and encoding. But there's a second chip, called the preISP, working behind the scenes. This auxiliary processor tackles noise reduction, brightness enhancement, and shadow detail restoration before the data even reaches the main chip. In simple terms, the camera is preparing and perfecting your footage twice before you even see it. This dual processor approach ensures seamless, high-quality recording, especially while vlogging on the go. It doesn't stop there. Igor also mentioned that the Pocket series is getting smarter with something called an automatic route switching module. A built-in light sensor will constantly analyze your shooting environment in real time. In bright daylight, the camera might skip extra processing to save battery, but in low light or complicated scenes, it activates the full dual processor chain. This means the camera only uses maximum power when needed, making it efficient without sacrificing performance. Imagine having a camera that adjusts itself perfectly to every lighting scenario without you lifting a finger. The competition may be growing every day, but DJI is holding strong at the peak of innovation. With this dual camera, dual processor setup, the Pocket 4 Pro isn't just another pocket camera. It could be the new standard for on-the-go filmmaking. It promises clarity, versatility, and intelligence in a size that fits in your hand. Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, or casual shooter, the Pocket 4 Pro seems built to make every shot look cinematic and effortless. So, what do you think about the DJI Pocket 4 Pro so far? Are you excited about this dual camera and dual processor system? Will it finally convince you to upgrade your handheld camera setup? If you liked this breakdown and want to see more exclusive tech leaks and hands-on insights, make sure to subscribe, share this video, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.